Hello friends, welcome to my channel English with Asmita. In today's video, let us learn to use the correct prepositions so that we are able to speak correctly. Sometimes we get confused in choosing the preposition. We don't know which preposition to be used. With practice, by practicing to frame sentences using the correct prepositions, we will be able to speak correctly and we will be able to speak fluently. So with the help of worksheet, let us try to develop our spoken English. He worked dash the garden daily. In the garden daily or at the garden daily. Not at but in is the correct preposition to be used. He worked in the garden daily. Worked there dash many years. In many years or for many years. He worked there for many years. For is the correct preposition to be used. He dug the soil dash a spade. With a spade or through a spade. Through meaning passing through from one point to another point. So we cannot use through. He dug the soil with a spade, using a spade with the help of spade. So with a spade. With is the correct preposition to be used in the sentence. Same way, comb my hair with a comb. Not through a comb but with a comb. He walked dash the garden. He walked around the garden or he walked on the garden. Which one is correct? So when we are speaking, he walked around the garden and not on. He is not walking on the surface of the garden. We don't say he walked on the garden, but he walked in and around, circling the garden. Lizard crept dash the wall. Along the wall or in the wall. The lizard crept not in the wall because the lizard is not going inside the wall but it is going up along the wall by climbing up the wall. So along the wall. Don't go out dash your raincoat. Without your raincoat or off your raincoat. Without your raincoat. Without taking your raincoat, don't go out. Received an email dash my friend. With my friend or from my friend. Which one to be used? With my friend, with meaning along with. Not along with. You are receiving something from that point or from that person. So I received an email from my friend and not with my friend. So you should use the correct preposition in order to convey the correct message. So I received an email or I received a letter from my friend and not with my friend. Paul smashed dash the window. Through the window or at the window. Which preposition to be used? Smash meaning break into pieces. The ball. See the next sentence. The cake had 12 candles dash it. On it or into it. On is used in order to show that something is placed on the surface, touching the surface. So the cake had 12 candles on it or into meaning you are showing something is going from outside to inside. So this cannot be used. There were 12 candles placed on the, there were 12 candles placed on the cake. On is the correct preposition to be used. The cake had 12 candles on it and not into it. We are not placing candles inside the cake. So, on it. The next sentence, there were many people dash me in the queue. There were many people before me or towards me in the queue. Which preposition to be used? There were many people before me in the queue, meaning people who were quicker. So there were 12 people before me in the queue. Before is the correct preposition to be used in order to show that there were 12 people to go first before the speaker. Flung the old shoe dash the fence. Above the fence or over the fence? The correct preposition to be used
Over
is
the fence.
Proof was written dash an unknown author. By an unknown author or with an unknown author. When something is done, if you want to show means by which something is done, we use by. So the book was written by an unknown author and not with an unknown author. So by is the correct preposition to be used. This sentence, the little kitten jumped dash its basket and fell asleep. Jumped in its basket or into its basket. Which preposition will you choose? The little kitten jumped into will be the correct preposition to be used. Into its basket and fell asleep, because from outside it is going inside, so we use into.
The
Is
brain
located dash the skull. At the skull or in the skull? Which one is correct? The brain is located in the skull. In is the correct preposition to be used. There was a quarrel dash the two neighbors. There was a quarrel among the two neighbors or between the two neighbors. Which preposition to be used? There was a quarrel between the two neighbors. When we are comparing something, when we are comparing someone or something between two, when we are comparing someone or something having two numbers, we use between. So there was a quarrel between the two neighbors. When two persons are engaged, we use between. So there was a quarrel between the two neighbors and not among. Among is used for more than two people or things. See the next sentence. The robbers divided the loot dash themselves. Now there dash themselves, among themselves or between themselves. Now which preposition we will use? The robbers divided the loot among themselves. Among will be the correct preposition to be used. Among, because there are many robbers, more than two, we use among. Among will be the correct preposition to be used. So the robbers divided the loot among themselves. I hope you have found this video useful. If we practice like this, we will be able to develop our spoken English. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Till then, keep practicing in order to develop your spoken English.